Healthy aging is not about trying to stay young forever. It is about learning how to live a fulfilling, comfortable, and meaningful life as the years move forward. Many people assume that poor health is a natural part of getting older. But modern research on aging shows that this belief is largely untrue. Experts agree that daily lifestyle choices play a much bigger role in aging well than genetics alone. Research suggests that as much as 60 to 70% of how healthy and independent a person remains in later years depends on everyday habits. Growing older does not have to mean constant pain or loss of independence. With the right approach, later life can be a period of balance, wisdom, and inner calm. One of the most important habits for aging well is regular movement. That supports the body instead of exhausting it as people age. Extreme workouts matter less than gentle, consistent activity. Health organizations around the world report that daily movement lowers the risk of heart problems, diabetes, joint stiffness, falls, and memory decline. This does not require intense exercise routines. Simple actions such as light stretching, slow walks, balance practices, or mild strength movements can make a powerful difference. Many older adults stop moving when discomfort begins, believing rest is the only solution. In truth, safe and appropriate movement often reduces stiffness and pain while improving flexibility and confidence. Another key habit is eating in a way that supports the aging body. As metabolism and nutrient absorption change over time, proper nutrition becomes even more important. Studies show that older adults who consume enough protein, fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins maintain stronger muscles, better immunity, and clearer thinking. Loss of appetite, living alone, or convenience can cause seniors to skip meals or depend on packaged foods, which can lead to weakness and low energy. Eating simple, home-style meals, drinking enough water, and keeping regular meal times can greatly improve overall health. Healthy eating is not about strict rules, it is about steady, mindful choices. Mental and emotional health is just as important as physical care. Emotional well-being directly affects the body, especially in later years. Research has shown that long-term loneliness and stress increase the risk of heart disease, depression, memory loss, and even early death. Staying socially connected, having a sense of purpose, and keeping the mind active are essential. Simple activities such as talking with friends, joining a group, reading, learning something new, or maintaining a daily routine help protect mental sharpness and emotional stability. Emotional decline is not a natural part of aging. Engagement keeps the mind alive. Quality sleep is another pillar of healthy aging. While sleep patterns may change with age, poor sleep should not be accepted as normal. Older adults who maintain regular sleep habits tend to have better memory, stronger immunity, and healthier blood pressure. Sleep problems often come from irregular routines, low activity levels, or stress. Going to bed at the same time, limiting daytime naps, creating a calm evening routine, and managing light exposure can significantly improve rest. Good sleep allows the body to heal and the mind to reset. Being attentive to health is also essential. Aging well does not mean ignoring warning signs, it means responding early. Regular checkups, proper use of medications, eye and hearing care, and paying attention to small symptoms can prevent serious complications later. Seniors who take preventive care seriously tend to stay independent longer and experience fewer hospital visits. Many people delay medical care due to fear or inconvenience, but early action often prevents greater problems. Taking responsibility for one's health creates confidence and peace of mind. Finally, attitude ties everything together. Studies in psychology show that a positive mindset and self-kindness improve both physical health and emotional strength in older adults. Letting go of regret, guilt, and unrealistic expectations reduces stress and supports healing. Aging gracefully means accepting change without losing self-respect. It is about adjusting, not quitting. Healthy aging is not the result of one big decision, but of small, daily habits practiced consistently over time.